Imagine a world where inspecting bridges is no longer a dangerous job. Picture this. Drones equipped with advanced cameras and AI soar through the air. They scan every inch of our bridges, detecting even the smallest cracks. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. For decades, we relied on traditional methods to inspect our bridges. These methods were slow, expensive, and sometimes dangerous. But today, we are witnessing a revolution. Drones and AI are transforming the way we ensure the safety of our infrastructure. This is a game changer. We can now inspect bridges more frequently, identify potential problems early on, and prevent catastrophic failures. The future of bridge inspections is here, and it is safer, faster, and smarter than ever before. Inspecting bridges used to be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. Inspectors had to physically climb, rappel, and crawl to access every nook and cranny. This was not only slow but also risky. Imagine hanging hundreds of feet in the air, exposed to the elements. The work was physically demanding and potentially hazardous. These inspections were also costly. They required large teams, specialized equipment, and significant traffic disruptions. It was clear that a more efficient and safer solution was needed. Enter the era of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have changed the game. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, drones provide a bird's-eye view of bridges. They can access hard-to-reach areas quickly and safely. No more dangling from ropes. Drones capture detailed images and videos of the bridge's structure. Inspectors can then analyze this data from the safety of a computer screen. This allows for a more thorough and efficient inspection process. Drones also minimize traffic disruptions. Inspections can be conducted more frequently without bringing traffic to a standstill. This is a win-win for both safety and efficiency. But wait, there's more. We are now using artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze the data collected by drones. AI algorithms can detect even the tiniest cracks or defects that might be missed by the human eye. This is like having 1,000 eyes, each with expert knowledge examining every inch of the bridge. AI can also track the progression of existing defects over time. This allows engineers to predict potential problems and take preventive measures. The combination of drones and AI is a game changer for bridge inspections. It's making them safer, faster, and more cost-effective than ever before. This technology allows us to stay ahead of potential problems and ensure the safety of our bridges for generations to come.
Before you leave, our team will be very happy if you can give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.